Hello guys, welcome to my channel with another tutorial video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to eliminate the keyboard light, and you can control from here. As you can see, this is my model number, the Dell Latitude 5480. It's work any Dell computer. So this function, as you can see here, is there is no light, and because it is off, I'm going to on. Let's see it. How does it work? First you have to press the function and then press here. You can see the eliminate buttons, which is the F10. So function and F10. Here you can see this the lighting is on. If you want to make more bright, again you press one time. You can see here it's lighting. Now it's full of the lighting on the keyboard of the laptop, Dell laptop. So if you want to off, again function, and again you have to click here. Now it's off the light of this in the keyboard. Still it's not working with this function key. There's another method I want to show you. Let's see how does it do it. Alright, first of all you have to restart your computer. After restart you need to go to the F2. Once you go to F2, you will have there is option.
It is here. Now it is in the disabled mode, so turn it on into dim or bright mode. And just below you can see this option, keyboard backlight, timeout, power or on battery. So you can select your preferred timeout from these options. Once you have done it, click on apply changes, and then click OK in this confirmation window. Then click on exit in the